Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 volume automatically goes up and down. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, open Sound Settings. Select speaker or headset, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Enhancements tab, check Disable all enhancements. Click Communications tab, check Do Nothing. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Audio Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart system. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand sound, video and game controllers, right-click audio device, click uninstall device, after uninstall restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.